mourns with Pakistan, and the world has to react to what happened yesterday in Pakistan, and that's what we're waiting for. But tonight, we just think about the families in Peshawar who are mourning, who are experiencing a pain unlike any of us will ever know, any of us should ever know. Tonight, our thoughts are with them.
It's just like unbelievable tragedy. You can't even think about it. And today when I was just getting ready for the school and I was just helping my little kid to go to the school, I was like, my heart was crying with the parents who send their children to the school, because we think school is the safest place for the children. I can't say anything to the parents because I'm a mother, and only mothers know. They did not kill 100 children, they killed whole 100 families.
यही कहना चाहूँगा कि पाकिस्तान डिजर्व्स ए चांस। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਉੱਥੇ ਨੇ, ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਉਣ, ਪਾਕਿस्तान ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਣ। ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਪਾਕਿस्तान ਕੋਲ, ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਆਸ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਲਾਹ ਤਾਲਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਤ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਦੇਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਬਸ। ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਤਹਿ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
We may seem like we're far away, but we're with you. And the Pakistanis that are here, Pakistani Americans that are here, but also non-Pakistanis that came out today, I think only shows that we're united in the struggle. And it's really, this moment is different from other moments. I think that this will really signify how seriously we will start taking this war. This is a moment to come together and to really feel that we are one.